Please remain seated at all times. Please keep our arms, legs, hands, and feet inside the covers of our climbing boards. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride on the Great American Scenic Railway.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Great America Scenic Railway. As we leave the County Fair Station, our next destination is Hometown Square. Six Flags Great America is excited to provide you amazing thrills and memories during your visit today. Want to extend the thrills all season long? Visit Guest Relations in Hometown Square to upgrade your paid admission to a pass, which includes admission to Hurricane Harbor Chicago and Hurricane Harbor Rockford. Want additional benefits that can include food and merchandise discounts, preferred parking, skip the line passes, and discounted tickets for private? Then a Six Flags Extreme or Ultimate Pass is for you. Our team members at Guest Relations can guide you in the right direction for the best pass to fit your needs. Who doesn't love a good theme park meal? You can choose to have hand-breaded chicken tenders from Strutters, a Rockets double meal from Johnny Rockets, or a quesadilla at Fiesta Fries. Can't figure out what you have a taste for? Then stop by the County Fair Food Court where we offer burgers, pizza, tacos, orange chicken, and much more. Rain or shine, the County Fair Food Court is the place to dine. Need a refreshing treat during your visit? Well, we've got the thing for you. Stop by and pick up a Dole soft serve at Captain Cold in DC Universe, or at Demon Snacks in County Fair. Enjoy pineapple, mango, or just swirl them together. Craving a classic chicken dinner? Stop by Plate Jumpers in Yukon Territory for our famous Aunt Martha's chicken dinner. Fried chicken and mashed potatoes. It's like having a home-cooked meal. You can't end your day at Great America without having the world's best funnel cake sundae, which are conveniently available at 3 locations. To your left is the American Eagle, which is still soaring after 41 seasons. Riders love the classic out and back layout with airtime hills along the way. County Fair is home to Kidsopolis. Here you will find 5 rides the whole family can enjoy. Did you know that there are many other rides located throughout the park for kids to enjoy? Check out Chubasco and River Rocker in Southwest Territory, Hometown Fun Machine, Triple Play, and Lobster in Hometown Square, and of course, the Columbia Carousel. Take a look at the list of family rides on our Six Flags app. Towering above us to the right is X-Flight. This revolutionary open-air wing coaster soars with no track above or below you. From the makers of Batman, The Ride, Raging Bull, and Superman Ultimate Flight, X-Flight takes to the skies and drops brave passengers 12 stories head over heels as they plunge back down towards the earth, maneuvering 5 inversions, 3,000 feet of twisted steel track, and 2 extreme fly-through keyhole elements. Coming up on the left is Metropolis Plaza. Here you can challenge Justice League, Battle for Metropolis. This adventure features state-of-the-art technology, high-tech video graphics, and full sensory gaming experience that puts you right in the middle of the action. After wandering the unbelievable 22,000 square foot Hall of Justice, you'll board a unique twisted 6-passenger vehicle. Armed with a laser stun gun, you travel through a series of incredible scenes around the city of Metropolis, interacting with lifelike animatronic characters, and in-your-face experiences like fire and fog to save your favorite superheroes from the evil villains. This adventurous ride also features one of the first ever virtual loops and real-time gaming elements to compete against other riders. In Southwest Territory, you can tackle our tallest and longest speed coaster, Raging Bull. This ferocious beast features a towering 200-foot lift hill and 65-degree first drop that plunges riders into an underground cavern at more than 70 miles per hour. Sideless cars and horizontal loops will help deliver a breathtaking 2.5-minute ride. Did you know that the water park is free for most Great America pass holders? Six Flags Hurricane Harbor Chicago is a 20 slides, Castaway Creek, a meandering river adventure, Hurricane Bay, a 500,000-gallon wave pool that features waves over 4 feet tall, and the Tornado, which gives you the thrill of a coaster combined with the chill of a water slide. Pirate ships, water slides, and an erupting volcano? Kids young and old will love the climbing, sliding, splashing, and soaking fun of Hurricane Harbor's star attraction, Skull Island, one of the largest interactive water playgrounds in the world. Be sure to check out Riptide Bay, home to our newest attractions, including the world record-breaking water coaster, Tsunami Surge. This innovative new water coaster is the tallest in the world at a height of 86 feet. Reach a top speed of 28 miles per hour through over 950 feet of enclosed tunnels and open-air slides that feature 3 gravity-defying laps and 5 breathtaking drops. One of the park's most iconic family favorites, Wizard, can be seen zooming through the trees to your right. The Wizard, an original Great America ride, is the last electric spiral lift roller coaster left in the country. Do you like speed? Can you handle going upside down? Then you need to challenge Max Force. Once aboard this race car, you are treated to the fastest launch in all of North America, the tallest double inversion in the world, and the world's fastest inversion. 5 total inversions and a launch from 0 to 78 miles per hour in under 2 seconds will even scare the adrenaline junkies among us. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Thank you for riding the Great America Scenic Railway, and thank you for visiting Six Flags Great America. On behalf of Six Flags Great America, we want to thank you for being a part of our history, and we look forward to providing you with new thrills and family memories for years to come. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Great America.
There are just so many